These 20 Amazon kitchen finds are so useful, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. And trust me, the last one is a total game changer. Don't waste time searching, I've linked every product in the description below for your convenience. Let's get started. Number 1, the Hiware Glass Teapot, a must-have for any tea lover. Made from durable, heat-resistant glass, it lets you watch your tea steep while adding a clean, modern look to your kitchen. The removable stainless steel infuser is perfect for loose-leaf tea, making every cup easy to brew and full of flavor. Whether you're starting your morning or relaxing after a long day, this teapot brings a premium tea experience right to your home. Number 2, the Laudlife Food Warming Mat, a smart kitchen essential that keeps your meals warm until everyone is ready to eat. It's perfect for family dinners, holiday gatherings, game days, and potlucks, helping your food stay at the ideal serving temperature without drying out. The slim, portable design is easy to store and makes entertaining at home much more convenient. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 3, the MUXIUNT Microwave Potato Cooker, a simple kitchen gadget that makes perfectly fluffy baked potatoes in minutes. Just place your potato inside, pop it in the microwave, and enjoy a quick, evenly cooked potato without waiting for the oven. It's also great for sweet potatoes, corn on the cob, and other vegetables, making it a convenient time saver for busy weeknight dinners. Number 4, the TrendPlain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer, a simple kitchen upgrade for healthier cooking. It lets you spray or pour the perfect amount of olive oil, avocado oil, or vinegar with less waste and better control. Whether you're air frying, grilling, roasting, or making salads, this sleek glass bottle helps reduce excess oil while keeping your kitchen looking clean and organized. Number 5, the Lifewit Silverware Organizer, a simple way to keep your kitchen drawers neat and organized. The expandable design fits most standard drawers, creating dedicated sections for forks, knives, spoons, and serving utensils. It's an affordable upgrade that makes it easy to find what you need while giving your kitchen a cleaner, more organized look. Number 6, the GOTHAM Steel Stock Pot, a versatile cookware essential for every kitchen. It's perfect for making soups, chili, pasta, seafood boils, and family-sized meals with ease. The non-stick interior makes cooking and cleanup simple, while the durable design provides even heat for reliable results. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking for a crowd, this stock pot is built to handle it all. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 7, the Heartnoks Juicer Machine, a powerful juicer that makes it easy to enjoy fresh, homemade juice every day. It extracts more juice from fruits and vegetables while helping preserve natural flavor and nutrients. Whether you're making fresh orange juice, green juice, or your favorite fruit blends, this juicer delivers smooth results with less prep and easy cleanup. Number 8, the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, a time-saving kitchen gadget that makes food prep faster and easier. The rotary handle quickly grates cheese, slices vegetables, and shreds ingredients with minimal effort, helping keep your hands safely away from the blades. It's perfect for tacos, pizza, salads, pasta, and homemade meals, making everyday cooking quicker and more convenient. Number 9, the PAULSWAY Honey Dispenser, a mess-free way to serve honey, syrup, and other liquid sweeteners. Just press the handle to dispense the perfect amount without sticky drips on your countertop. It's perfect for sweetening tea, coffee, pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, and biscuits while keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Number 10, the AccuSharp Knife Sharpener, a must-have tool for keeping your kitchen knives razor-sharp in seconds. With just a few quick passes, it restores a sharp edge to most straight-edge knives, making food prep faster, safer, and more efficient. Its comfortable grip and compact design make it easy to use in store, helping you get the most out of your favorite kitchen knives. Number 11, the Dopudo Glass Tea Mug with Infuser, a perfect choice for tea lovers who enjoy fresh loose-leaf tea at home or at the office. The built-in stainless steel infuser makes brewing quick and mess-free, while the heat-resistant glass lets you watch your tea steep to perfection. With its modern design and comfortable handle, it's a stylish mug that turns every tea break into a relaxing experience. All products links are in the description below. Number 12, the Ziliny 2-set Wicker Bread Basket, a beautiful way to serve bread, rolls, pastries, and fresh fruit with style. These hand-woven baskets add a warm, rustic touch to your dining table and are perfect for family dinners, holiday meals, brunches, or entertaining guests. Durable, lightweight, and versatile, they also make great organizers for snacks and everyday kitchen essentials. Number 13, the Shoxil Pancake Batter Dispenser, a simple kitchen tool that makes breakfast faster, cleaner, and more fun. Just fill it with pancake, waffle, cupcake, or muffin batter and squeeze the handle for smooth, even portions every time. It helps reduce spills, cuts down on mess, and gives you perfectly sized pancakes with less effort. Number 14, the Salabarpro Cutting Board, a premium kitchen essential designed for everyday meal prep. Its spacious surface gives you plenty of room to chop vegetables, slice meat, and prepare ingredients with ease, while the built-in juice groove helps keep countertops clean. Durable, easy to maintain, and made for everyday cooking, it's a practical upgrade for any home kitchen. Number 15, the Ofargo Stainless Steel Meat Injector, a must-have tool for anyone who loves juicy, flavorful meals. It lets you inject marinades, butter, garlic, and seasonings deep into turkey, chicken, beef, pork, and more for richer flavor in every bite. Perfect for grilling, smoking, roasting, or holiday dinners, it's an easy way to take your cooking to the next level. Number 16, the Kitchen in the Box Food Processor, a compact kitchen helper that makes meal prep fast and effortless. It quickly chops vegetables, minces garlic, grinds meat, and blends ingredients with the push of a button, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Its compact size is perfect for everyday cooking, small kitchens, and quick weeknight meals. All products links are in the description below. Number 17, the 10-pack Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins, a complete organization upgrade for your kitchen. These clear, stackable bins make it easy to organize fruits, vegetables, drinks, snacks, and pantry staples, so everything is easy to see and grab. They help maximize refrigerator and pantry space, reduce clutter, and give your kitchen a clean, organized look that's both practical and satisfying. Number 18, the 5-tier Kitchen Fruit and Vegetable Storage Cart, a smart storage solution that helps keep your kitchen neat and organized. The 5 spacious baskets are perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, snacks, onions, potatoes, and pantry essentials while keeping everything visible and within easy reach. The rolling wheels let you move it wherever you need it, making it a great addition to kitchens, pantries, laundry rooms, or small apartments. Number 19, the PXRACK Under Sink Organizer, a smart way to turn wasted space into useful storage. The smooth sliding drawers give you quick access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, dish soap, and other household essentials without digging through clutter. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, helping you keep everything organized, easy to reach, and neatly tucked away. Number 20, the 50-piece Large Food Storage Containers Set, a kitchen essential for meal prep, leftovers, and pantry organization. These durable, stackable containers help keep food fresh, save refrigerator space, and make it easy to store and transport meals. Whether you're packing lunches, organizing ingredients, or storing leftovers, they're a simple way to keep your kitchen neat and organized. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more must-have Amazon products, and check out all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching.